Welcome back, my friends, to Nerd Chic. Today, I am doing an unboxing of my Ender 3v2. I just finally got me a 3D printer. It's not the newest one on the lot, but I wanted to get something that was better known and also less expensive, so I could just learn how to do 3D printing. I've watched so many people doing stuff, and now I've gotten this fun hobby where I do 3D printing for collectibles and rebuild them, especially like Transformers and kids' toys and stuff like that. So I wanted to do that kind of thing. So anyway, this box opening will show you what you can expect inside of an Ender 3D printer box. So, open it up. Oh my goodness, dun, 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 dun. Super excited. This is something I've waited on for a long time, my friends. Oh my goodness, there it is. Boom. Inside we find the Ender 3D printer manual. All of the stuff. Boom. QR code and all that good stuff. So we'll get that set up. Also, what we got here? Oh, this is the whole unit here. Oh my goodness, look at this bad boy. Wow. You guys, this stuff is so exciting. There's some of the rails. The pieces in here. I'm going to take it out very carefully, piece by piece and section by section. Give me a minute to do it. Oh. Don't want to break anything. Here we go. It is all very attached. Oh my goodness. It's layers, guys. Let me pull some of the layers out now that I got it up. Layers. Layers and layers and layers of pieces. So I would guess I should be doing a video from this point on putting it together. Oh, there's the computer unit and display unit. Cool. What else I got here? This looks like it's inside of here. Is it attached? Nope. Man, I just don't even know what I'm looking at, you guys. Cannot wait to put this thing together. There's that piece. This is the bed, of course, and that's all one piece. I'm going to leave it together and just get it out. Here we go with that. Hurrah! Now, in the bottom, let's get down in here. Woohoo! Got more of the pieces. Power cable. The tools that come with it are in here. Man, this is incredible. Some first filament. I don't know what you guys call it, but it's the plastic that's used for the printing. Man. Oh, that's cool. It's got that tool with it. I was going to have to buy it. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys are thinking about getting one, you know, here's what you can expect inside. I got to get to putting this thing together, and that's going to be a whole different video I do here on Nerd Chic. What I'd love to hear is if you're out there and you're an Ender user, throw in some of your videos where you share some of your tips. Put them in the comments. Share some tips with me in the comments without video, however you want to send it. I would love to hear from you and what your tips and tricks are for first startup and first use, and as well, you know, just getting this thing started in the first place. So anyways, I'm going to sign off now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Guys, it's about to get fun. We're getting into 3D printing, and we're going to do some really cool projects as we restore old school toys and that kind of stuff with this Ender printer. That's what's in the box. Thanks for tuning in, Nerd Chic. We'll see you next time. Y'all take care.